Electoral roll. Concerns have emerged over the alleged misuse of Form 7 application during the ongoing special intensive revision of electoral rolls, leading to large-scale deletion of voters' names across several states. Electoral rolls and their importance in Indian democracy. Electoral rolls form the foundation of India's democratic process, ensuring that every eligible citizen has the right to vote. Prepared and updated under the Representation of the People Act 1950, these rules are periodically revised to include new voters and remove ineligible entries. The credibility of election depends heavily on the accuracy, transparency, and fairness of this process. Any large-scale error or manipulation can directly impact political representation and voter confidence in the electoral system. Form 7 and its legal framework. Form 7 is a statutory mechanism used to object to the inclusion of a person's name in the electoral roll. Under the Registration of Electors Rules 1960, objection can be raised on specific grounds such as date, duplication of entries, shifting of residence, ineligibility due to age or lack of citizenship. Earlier objections could be raised only by voters from the same polling booth. However, 2022 amendment expanded the scope, allowing any voter within a constituency to file objection. While intended to improve roll accuracy, this change also increased the risk of misuse. To prevent abuse, rules mandate verification by electoral registration officer (ERO), especially when an individual files more than 5 objections. Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rolls. The Special Intensive Revision (SIR) is a comprehensive exercise undertaken by the Election Commission of India to update electoral rolls in select states and union territories. Phase 2 of the ongoing SIR has covered nearly 51 crore voters across multiple regions including Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and others. The revision follows a compressed timeline involving enumeration forms, objections, verification by booth level officer (BLOs) and hearing before final publication of the rules. Nature of the Form 7 controversy. The controversy centers on the bulk filling of Form 7 application allegedly without the knowledge or consent of the voters concerned. Opposition parties have accused organized actors of misusing Form 7 to systematically delete the names of eligible voters, thereby distorting the electoral process. Reports from states such as Rajasthan and Gujarat have highlighted cases where individuals claimed that Form 7 applications were submitted in their names without their involvement. This has raised serious concerns about impersonation, procedural lapses, and administrative oversight. Scale of voter deletion. According to draft electoral rolls released during the SIR, around 6.5 crore voters were removed from the rolls across 9 states and 3 union territories. These deletions reduced the total electorate from about 51 crore to 44.4 crore in the affected regions. The removed voters were categorized as ASD, upset, shifted, dead or duplicate. The highest number of deletion was reported from Uttar Pradesh, followed by Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Critics argue that the sheer scale of deletion combined with a tight revision schedule raises questions about the adequacy of verification and grievance redressal mechanism, verification process and safeguards. Once a Form 7 application is submitted, booth level officers are required to conduct physical verification in cases of alleged death. Confirmation from neighbors and a death certificate are necessary. If a voter is reported absent, BLOs must conduct multiple visits to confirm reallocation. Affected voters are entitled to receive notice and attend hearings before final deletion. Appeals against ERO decisions can be filed with the district magistrate within 15 days of the rule publication. Despite these safeguards, concerns persist about their effective implementation under time pressure, concerns and the way forward. At the core of controversy lies the risk of voter disenfranchisement, particularly among marginalized and economically weaker sections. Filing a false declaration under Form 7 is a punishable offence under Section 32 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Experts suggest stricter scrutiny of bulk application, improved digital tracking, longer verification timelines, and enhanced transparency to restore trust in the electoral revision process. Ensuring balance between rule accuracy and voter protection remains crucial.